Hello everyone, welcome to the course Molecular Docking for Drug Discovery. In this particular course, I'll be talking about how you can use molecular docking to identify lead compounds against the target receptor. In this course, I'll be talking about how you can prepare your files, how you can perform molecular docking, and how you can analyze your results, and also provide you hands-on training on how to do all those things. It's not a theoretical course, it will be hands-on practical course where you will understand how you can perform the molecular docking, and also provide you hints that how you can apply molecular docking for your own receptor and ligand files. So in this particular course, I have 5 different modules. In module 1, we will be talking about molecular docking in general. We'll also be installing the softwares or tools that are required for molecular docking. I'll also introduce you what are those tools and what are their functions. In the next module, I'll be showing you how you can prepare your ligand and receptor files. It's really important to understand that it is required that you process your ligand and protein files before you perform the molecular docking accurately. So I'll be showing you how you can process your molecular docking files and how you can accurately process those files so that there is no error while you perform your molecular docking. The next one is in the module 3, we will be talking about how you can actually perform molecular docking using Autodoc Vina. We will be using command prompt, and using that, I will be performing the molecular docking experiment, and you will be getting the results. You will see the results, and I'll also provide you detailed notes as well as the script for that particular experiment so that you can also follow along, not just watching the video, but also by reading the script and the presentation. In the next module, I'll be talking about how you can take the results from molecular docking and how you can process those results and get publication quality images using PyMol. So everything will be covered starting from getting the particular ligand file. I'll be starting with empty folder where I will be putting all those files, and later on you will realize that all the files that are there and our folder got populated with results as well as final images. So you will realize that in the process of understanding molecular docking, you will understand various skill set, including PyMol. You will understand how to use Avogadro. You will understand the other tools like biodiscovery client. So there are so many things that are covered in this particular course. So after processing all the files, we will be getting the results, and those results are ready to be published. You can publish them because the quality will be really high. And if you're going to send these results to publication, the journals, they are going to appreciate the hard work that you have done. In addition to that, I'll be providing you some extra material. I'll be providing you the content that is required to perform molecular docking. I'll be providing you Word files, notes that you can follow and perform molecular docking without watching the video next time. I'll also provide you the presentation file, and presentation files are really important when you want to teach the particular course to any other student. Maybe you're a faculty and you want to teach molecular docking to other students. I've created that well-organized PPT file that you can use for your teaching. You have to complete the MCQs, and now once you complete the MCQs, you should be able to move to the next module. And after completing all the modules and their MCQs, you should be able to get the certificate that you have completed the course. And I'm sure it's not just that you'll get the certificate, you'll get all the skill sets that are required for molecular docking. And if you have any doubt, if you have any concern, you can also set up one-on-one consultancy session with me. You can also message me. I'll help you out. If you have taken this particular course, I'll help you out with your problem, and we can also discuss your own research problem and how to organize the experiment for your docking experiments, and also present the data in an organized way. So without any delay, let's start the modules.